Hello everyone. I thought the Atari 5200 would be a fun project to undertake for Al's lab. In my upcoming videos, instead of bad-mouthing and pointing out what Atari did wrong, I want to look at what they got right. I also want to get the unit in my possession operational and may want to improve through some redesign areas where the original 4-port design struggled. Released in 1982, it was intended to replace the Atari 2600 and compete with Intellivision, but wound up being a direct competitor to the ColecoVision. The initial 1982 release of the system featured 4 controller ports, where most all other systems of that period had 2 ports. The 5200 also introduced a new style of analog joystick controller. The controller also had an integrated numeric keypad, 2 fire buttons on each side of the controller, and game function keys for start, pause, and reset. The 1982 release version of the 5200 also featured the first automatic TV switch box, allowing it to automatically switch from regular TV viewing to game system signal when the system was activated. All other RF adapters from the period required the user to reach behind the TV and manually slide a switch on the RF adapter by hand. The 1982 release version of the 5200 was not backwards compatible with the Atari 2600 and couldn't directly accept its cartridges. The 1983 revision of the 5200 featured 2 controller ports instead of 4 and a change back to the more conventional manual RF switch. It also had changes to the cartridge port address lines to accept the Atari 2600 adapter released that same year. This adapter was only made to work on the 2-port version and final production run of the 4-port version. Earlier 4-port systems were not compatible. The Atari 5200 only sold 1 million units in its 2-year run. It was discontinued on May 21, 1984. In my next upcoming video, we're going to look at the automatic RF switch box.